Good morning, everyone. At least it's morning for me, and welcome to today's video. Make sure to subscribe down below if you're new here. If you've been watching me for a while and haven't subscribed, subscribe. And we can just get right on into the video. Today I have a pretty fun video, and I'm just going to be showing you guys how to do like a really fun Valentine's Day look. And I was gonna post this on Sunday instead of today and do closet clean out today instead of Sunday, but who knows when the closet clean out's coming, okay? I had to do my laundry so I'd have all of my clothes clean, and that's taking a little bit. So stay tuned for it, it's coming, it's just not here yet. But today we're going to be doing a fun red pink eye look and like Valentine's look on my face. So let's get right on into it. I'm actually going to start with my eyes today, which I do not usually do, but I'm going to be using tape today because we're going to be wanting to get like a nice snatched line. And if you've never done this before, you just kind of take the tape and you like line it up with how your bottom lid makes a line. I've only done this a couple of times, so I can't really act like an expert on it or anything. Okay, I think I did it right. Here's to hoping. And I'm doing my eyeshadow first because it will prevent any pinks or reds that we use to just fall onto my makeup. Tape is secure. Let me tell you, this feels very, very, very strange. Okay, for right now, I'm going to be working out of the Jeffree Star X Morphe palette, and I'm just going to take Self-Made, which is this color, and it's pretty dark, and we're gonna put that right above where the crease goes, and just like kind of draw out where we want this shade to be. And we're gonna cut underneath it, so totally fine if it looks messy. And I'm just dragging it out to the tape. And I'm just using a JS10 to do this step. Now with the Colourpop E27 brush, I'm going to be taking my, which is this light pink, and we're going to take this and blend the edges of our look. And that's a trick to help with blending, is to take a lighter shade that is similar to the shade that you're already using and blend the edges that way. And this is a super small blending brush, so it will really help just buff out the edges without moving the shadows too much. So there's the start of our look. And now I'm gonna try a trick that I saw on TikTok by this makeup TikToker. Her name is Michaela. I'm not sure what her last name is, I cannot remember, so I'll make sure to put her name like right here. But she takes like makeup remover to cut her crease and then puts concealer on. So I was thinking I would try that today too, because why not? So I'm just taking a cotton swab, and I don't have like actual eye makeup remover. I just have micellar water. It's the simple kind. And I'm going to just start cleaning up the crease. I don't know if this helps with the concealer staying down. I'm not entirely sure why she does it, but I thought I would try it too. Sorry I'm not talking a lot. This is kind of a difficult look, and I am focusing a lot. Okay, now I'm just gonna take my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer and put a tiny bit on the back of my hand, and we're gonna cut my crease. This is the brush I always use. It's just like a flat brush. It's by the brand Daniela. I wish I could tell you more about it, but I can't. So if you can find a similar flat brush to this, I would definitely pick it up because it makes cutting the crease a lot easier. And I'm just gonna do what I usually do and line right above my lashes. Look up, side, side, all around. Then it cuts it for you, and then just fill it in. Wow. I'm actually like kind of impressing myself today. Maybe that makeup remover thing does work. This seemed a lot easier to get on. Okay, doing the other eye. Makes me look a little crazy. This tape kind of hurts. Beauty is pain, am I right? Seriously, it's like pulling this eye. So I cut this one higher. Time to figure that out. I mean, not bad. Now I'm taking a JS11 and I'm just going to pat that concealer down so it doesn't move and gets into all of my little creases and folds on my eyes. And with that JS11, I'm going to be going back into My, which is what we blend out the edges with, and I'm going to pack that where we just cut our crease. And I'm going to take a little bit of 2, which is this shimmery pink shade, and put that in the beginning of the crease. And to tie in the red for Valentine's Day, I'm going to be using this NYX Epic Wear liner. It's in the shade red, and I'm just going to do a little red wing. This is going to take a lot of concentration on my part, so bear with me. But the tape will help us a lot to achieve this look. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Okay, so I think this is it for our look. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna do my eyebrows and then take the tape off. And for my eyebrows, I'm just going to be using the Morphe Brow Pencil, my favorite brow pencil. And it's only like $4. So if you're looking for a new brow pencil, highly recommend. Sorry I continue to look over here, but it's where my mirror is. So I did kind of bushy brows today. I didn't mean to, but I actually really like them. You ready for this? I hope it's satisfying. Oh, cool. Wow. Taking off the tape, really. Ah! Okay, now I just have to do my face. So I'm probably gonna go kind of quick through that since the eyes took so long, but I'm just using the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Primer. Apparently it's a dupe for the Milk Hydro Grip. I'm just gonna put that all over my face. It smells amazing. It's weird to have my eyes done already because I never do that. So for foundation, I'm just going to be using my Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid, and I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand. I might have done too many pumps. It's okay. And start dabbing it around my face. And I just have to be really careful not to mess up my eyes or eyebrows. I really love this foundation, and I just got it not that long ago, so it's fun to use new things. Now I'm just going to be using the NYX Born to Glow concealer. It's pretty bright, so probably won't use that much. But on Valentine's Day, we're all going extra, I hope. I know we can't do extra dates, but you can at home. So let's all be extra this Valentine's Day. Who's with me? Oh, just me? Okay. If you didn't want to do your eyeshadow before your face, you could always just bake underneath your eyes and then do your eyeshadow and then wipe away the excess if you're worried about fallout getting all over your face. Dang, I feel like I'm really liking this look. Okay, now I'm just going to take this Wet n Wild translucent powder. It's their photo focus one. This is why companies should have lids, so then every time I open it, it's not just full of product, but it's fine. It's fine. See, that's too much product. And then I'm just going to set under my eye and everywhere we put concealer. And that's all I set. I don't overly set my face. I have never baked before. Just hasn't been my thing. And I was just using an F28 brush. Now I'm just going to take an F29 and I'm going to use my Tarte Park Avenue Princess bronzer and carve out these cheeks. This bronzer is the perfect shade for me. So I was going through my camera roll recently, and back in November, as some of you know if you saw the video, I went to the Adirondacks with my boyfriend for our anniversary trip. I can link the video right here. But I was going through pictures and I found pictures that Brett took of me that I didn't even know existed. So I just posted them on my Instagram. Here it is. You should definitely go follow me on there. That's where I ask for video ideas. That's where I post behind the scenes of my life. So if you want to see any of that fun stuff, You should. If you want to see my cat more, she's always on there. She's not on there now because she's not here, which makes me very sad. But my apartment had to spray for pests. What pests? I don't know, but they sprayed for them, and hopefully they're gone. Don't even get me started. Now I'm just going to be using my Makeup Revolution X Patricia Bright, and I'm going to be using the blush that's in here, and I'm just using an F30 brush. And oh, that's pigmented, I forgot. Oh shoot, it's fine. Blend till our arm falls off. That's how you fix any makeup issue. We're gonna look a little blushy today. I'm also going to work right after this, so probably just gonna take it off anyways. I do not have the confidence to wear something like this to work. And now with my F32 brush, I'm just going into the highlight from Patricia Bright's palette and going to start glowing up. Glowing up for days, for minutes in my case. Oh, I love highlighter. And now I'm going to take an E27 brush and I'm just going to mix my and Self-Made together and do my lower lash line. And on an E26, I'm going to take 2, which is the light pink, and put that on our inner corner and our brow bone. And the last thing we have to do is lips, and for today we're gonna go with the red lip to match with the red eyeliner. So I'm going to be taking in this NYX Liquid Suede, and I don't think I've ever even used this before, and I'm just going to put on a red lip. And now I'm just going to set my face with the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Setting Spray. Oh my gosh, I forgot mascara. I was wondering why my look wasn't looking like I wanted to. And always use a palette to and I always use a palette to dry my face because I don't have one of those fancy fans. I'm just going to curl my lashes really quick and throw on some mascara since I forgot. Honestly, I would love this look with lashes, but we don't have the time today. We just don't. And this lip is amazing. Also gives me a Miranda Sings vibe. So if you like that, this lip. Okay, Raya, focus. What do you need? And I'm just going to be using my Tarte Maneater Mascara. And now there's our face. I love it. The eyeliner and the lip don't match as much as I thought they would because this looks a lot darker in here than it does on my lips. So here's our Valentine's Day look. I love it. I really love it. I think it came out exactly as I had hoped, and I would totally wear this out on Valentine's Day. Why not? I'm totally gonna wear this in on Valentine's Day because I'm sure my boyfriend and I will do something. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you liked how the look came out. I really do. And make sure to subscribe down below to keep up with me and my videos and to see more crazy makeup looks like this and obviously other content. Give this video a like and comment down below any video you'd like to see from me or a certain type of makeup look you'd like to see from me because I would love your ideas on what to put on my face. Thanks again for watching and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!